All right. And it shall be when you are coming in to the land which Jehovah your God give you for an inheritance, and possess it and dwell therein, that you should take of the first of all the fruit of the earth, which you should bring of your land that Jehovah your God give you, and should put it in a basket, and should go to the place which Jehovah your God shall choose to place his name there. And you should go to the priest that shall be in those days, and say to him, I profess this day to Jehovah your God that I am coming to the country which Jehovah swore to our fathers for to give us. And the priest shall take the basket out of your hand, and set it down before the altar of Jehovah your God. And you should speak and say before Jehovah your God, a Syrian ready to perish was my father, and he went down into Egypt, and sojourned there with a few, and became there a nation, great, mighty, and populous. And the Egyptians evil and treated us, and afflicted us, and laid upon us hard bondage. And when we cried to Jehovah, God of our fathers, Jehovah heard our voice, and looked on our affliction and our labor and our oppression. And Jehovah brought us forth out of Egypt with a mighty hand, and with an outstretched arm, and with great terribleness, and with signs, and with wonders. And he has brought us into this place, and has given us this land, even a land that flows with milk and honey. And now, behold, I have brought the first fruits of the land, which you, O Jehovah, have given to me. And you should set it before Jehovah your God, and worship before Jehovah your God. And you should rejoice in every good thing which Jehovah your God has given to you and to your house, you and the Levite and the stranger that is among you. When you have made an end of tithing all the tithes of your increase the third year, which is a year of tithing, and has given it to the Levite, the stranger, the fatherless, the widow, that they may eat within your gates and be filled. Then you should say before Jehovah your God, I have brought away the hallowed thing out of my house, and also have given them to the Levite, and to the stranger, to the fatherless, and to the widow, according to all your commandments which you have commanded me. I have not transgressed your commandments, neither have I forgotten them. I have not eaten thereof in my mourning, neither have I taken away aught thereof for any unclean use, nor given aught thereof for the dead. But I have listened to the voice of Jehovah my God, and have done according to all that you have commanded me. Look down from your holy habitation from heaven, and bless your people Israel, and the land which you have given to us, as you swore to our fathers, a land that flows with milk and honey. This day Jehovah your God has commanded you to do this statute and judgment. You should therefore keep and do them, with all your heart and with all your soul. You have declared Jehovah this day to be your God and to walk in his way and to keep his statute and his commandments and his judgments and to listen to his voice. And Jehovah has declared you this day to be his peculiar people as he has promised you, and that you should keep all his commandments, and to make you high above all nations which he has made in praise and in name and in honor, and that you may be an holy people to Jehovah your God as he has spoken. Alright, I have finished reading in English.